So guys, let's talk about how to invest $1 on the Gate.io app. Alright, now today we'll talk about that. I've talked about that of KuCoin, I've talked about that of Binance, I've talked about that of Bybit. So let's focus on how to invest $1 on Gate.io. So first things first, you have to log into your Gate.io account, and you can see I already have just $1 here. And one good thing about this is that you can get tiny daily returns when you do this very well. All right, so good thing is that I'll be showing you from the beginning till the end. All right, you can do this from any country as long as Gate.io is allowed there. All right, so I'm going to come here after you've confirmed that you have some USDT. So I'm going to click on this place where you find Simple Earn. You find this at the just at the face of your app. Click on Simple Earn. Simple Earn is always on all the major exchanges. All right, now since I have USDT, I'm going to select USDT. You can see balance is 1. All right, if you're a new user, you are entitled to about 100% in APR. If you're an old user, you can get lesser amount of APR. So I'm going to click on it, and of course you can see I mentioned on other videos that there's what they call the flexible plan. You can see this is the flexible, this is fixed, but they don't write it, but you can see between 7 to 30 days. All right, this is 3 days, this is 7 to 30 days. The APR differs. So because I have just one USDT, I'm going to click on the flexible. Flexible simply means you can withdraw your money anytime you like. All right, you can choose to withdraw your money anytime. If you choose this plan, it simply means that you must allow your money there between 7 to 30 days. You cannot withdraw it less than 7 days. All right, so I'm going to select the flexible because I'm totally okay with that. Now you can see the minimum amount is $1. Okay, $1. This is for the 7-day plan, which means if you select the 7-day plan, you cannot withdraw your money for the period of 7 days. If you select the 14 days, you cannot withdraw your money until 14 days. If you select for 30 days, you cannot withdraw your money until 30 days. So you can see the percentage APR is increasing as it goes. All right, flexible is 10.71, and of course this is for because I'm a new user. If you are a new user, you get this. If you are using if you're using it again, you get less than this. This APR is for 1 year. It is not for 1 day. Okay, so in a whole year, this is actually what you can be entitled to. All right, so for people who have USDT and they don't know what you're going to use it for, you can just add it here. So I'm going to click on max. This is because I have just one USDT, and here Gate.io is so kind to break down how much you'll be getting. Okay, this is your estimated daily return in USDT. So this is how much you are going to be getting, how much USDT you'll be coming into your funding wallet daily. All right, now this is not a way to get rich. It is not a way to teach you guaranteed income. So it's not Ponzi. And of course you have to understand that you can do your own research on the Gate.io app to learn more about the flexible Earn. All right, so you can see the subscription time, which is now. The interest are accruing today, which is still the 10th. Interest will be received today, unlike some other apps gives out in 2 days. So this Gate.io, you can get your interest completely on the same day. So I'm going to click on subscribe here, and when you click on subscribe, you can actually see that you have subscribed successfully. All right, so I'm going to click on view holdings so I can see what it looks like. So you can see it on this area, and if you want to redeem, which means you don't want to do again, you can click on it. Okay, you can click on it, and of course you can redeem. You can redeem it anytime. All right, I'm going to click on go to earn. When you click on go to earn, you can actually find where to redeem it on this area. Okay, so it's very easy. If you want to repeat it, you can repeat it if you have more USDT, and it is just going to be really simple. So guys, I believe you've seen everything. You've had all the lectures. You've actually seen this is the auto earn. So this auto earn, you can see I already advise you should always close it, but because if you leave it open, some of the USDT that you don't plan to use here can be used to subscribe to this simple earn. So you want to always leave it closed, or disable it all the time. Don't enable it except you want it to automatically subscribe for you. All right, so guys, I'm going to leave you here, and of course to have a very wonderful day. And I believe you may have questions. If you have questions, you can just reach out to me, and definitely I'll be there to I'll be there to help you. I'll be there to answer your questions, and I'll be there to guide you and show you everything you need. To redeem your money, this is where you can click and redeem back your money, which is you want to withdraw your money back. This is how you can do that. And to find this area, all you have to do is to come to this place and just select on it. You see redeem currently is in progress, and this is my bonus, and of course this is what it looks like. So I'll see you on another one, guys. Do have a very wonderful day.